Today is day 7, preparing for my egg retrieval. I told y'all I am doing IVF, so here's a little bit of an update how the week has gone for me. I went Wednesday to the doctor, had some eggs, and they upped my medication. And then I went back today, and I have 9 eggs. I have 6 on my right ovary and 3 on my left. Do y'all see the problem here? We wanted the left side to be the producer, but she is not. It's the right side. Do you see the problem there? The right side is where that cyst is at, that pesky little cyst that has been the reason I'm just now finally able to do this egg retrieval, and we're taking a chance on it. Took the chance that hopefully that cyst would not grow, which it is not growing. And I did ask, do we think the doctor can reach those eggs on my right ovary without having to go in laparoscopically because, that cyst is there? And they said yes, because the cyst is like closer to my spine while those eggs are more on the like outer side, closer to like my hip, if you will. So that's exciting. That's still good, right? And I'm going to be completely honest with you. When I first heard 9 eggs, I felt disappointed. I was like, I really wanted like 20 eggs. I wanted to upper my chances. I don't want to do this again. And then I was like, you know what? No, we're going to change that way of thinking. We're going to be like, girl, that's 9 eggs. That's 9 opportunities. Some women don't have any ovaries. Some women don't have eggs. Some women don't have the resources to be able to do IVF. So they will never know if that could have given them a baby. So they're probably sitting there thinking it's the unknown in their mind. And I'm just so grateful and thankful and blessed that this is something I'm able to do. So I'm going to look at that as 9 chances. Those are 9 eggs. One of those could be my baby. And I'll be completely honest, I don't want a whole football team in the freezer. That's not what I'm doing this. I know God will provide enough for me to make my family. And I'm going to be thankful and grateful for whatever he chooses to give me. And I know it can be scary and frustrating, which it was this morning. I got a little overwhelmed because I'm like, oh my gosh, only 9? Because usually not all those will be mature. Usually, not all those will fertilize. Then they all won't become blastocysts. And then not all will pass PGT, genetic testing. So then you're not left with a lot. So I felt a little discouraged this morning, but changing my way of thinking and saying that is 9 opportunities, it's all about perspective. It's helped me. And I can tell you guys, I've been having this gnawing thing all week, and I just know it's from the Lord because let me tell you why. All week I've had this thing in my head. Quality over quantity, quality over quantity. It's just been ringing in my head all week. And after I found out I only had 9 eggs, of course, where'd I go? I went straight to the Google, like, how many eggs do people get from IVF egg retrieval? And one of the things I read so many times was quality over quantity. He's going to provide what I need. And I just continue to ask for your continued prayers if you're willing to send them up for me. I go back to the doctor on Monday, and guys, I gotta tell you, we're in the final countdown of this egg retrieval. We are in the final countdown. I'll update you on Monday, but so far, so good. And I've got 9 chances.